Graph h of x equals x minus 4. To graph this, we'll find some points that are going to be on the line and then draw the line. So let's start by finding some function values. When x is 0, we have h of 0 equals 0 minus 4, which is negative 4. So in a table, you can let x be 0, and h of x would be negative 4. Let's find a few more values. When x is 2, we have h of 2 equals 2 minus 4, which is negative 2. So we have x is 2, h of x is negative 2. And let's try another one. When x is 4, we have h of 4 equals 4 minus 4, which is 0. So we have another point that's on the graph. Now let's plot these points. We have 0, negative 4, 2, negative 2, and 4, 0. We draw the line, and then we'll label it. First of all, we draw the graph, and then we label it with h of x equals x minus 4.